Recently, I got a Shure SM7B, and I needed a studio arm to hold it in place and really be worthy of it. And what I landed on was the Rode PSA-1. And I'm going to do an unboxing and a brief review of this arm. It's an amazing product. These are the components that come in the box. This is the clamp that's super easy to mount it to your desk. The actual arm is spring-loaded, and they're not joking. It's very, very tight, but that's actually what makes it so great. This little guy right here is if you want to drill it directly into your desk, but I didn't do that. I'm just using the clamp. This is the clamp that goes onto your desk. It's very, very simple to use. You can tighten it just hand tight with your hands, and it stays in place. You can move it to different parts of your desk if you want. It totally works in any configuration that you want. Then the arm just sits down in there and it holds it in place quite nicely. And you'll notice that I can move this arm anywhere I want and it just holds its position and just stays there. It's really remarkable how simple yet powerful this is. I mean, it has one job, which is hold the mic in place wherever I put it, and it just does that job. And it looks nice in the process. I like how it kind of shines a little bit. I just think this is a exemplary product from Rode, and it works with any mic. I mean, any XLR mic can work with this. Even a USB mic could work. Sometimes the XLR comes out of the track, but that doesn't really bother me. I just put it back like you saw there. The links are in the description for this. It's a great price point. It's about $100, well worth the investment. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.